Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Millie. If you're my old subscriber, thank you for staying with me. I'm trying my new camera, the Sony Z1 I bought used, and today I'm going to show you how I cook Matooke banana. It's a Ugandan dish, but I think a lot of African people eat it. I live in Denmark, so we can't get the real good banana, so we have to settle for what we get. These are the bananas. They are okay, but if you're in Uganda, you'll get really, really good bananas. So the first thing I have to do, I have to peel them. So I'll find a knife. Actually, I'm going to cook them with I decided we have to have like chicken wings. And I'm going to make it like a stew. So I'll start by putting this on the fire so it can boil while I prepare the matooke. I just throw them in the pan. I'll show you. You can see I just put them in there and I'll just like start frying them. So I'll put this on fire. And Yan is gonna come down and help me with a few things. He loves banana very much. I guess almost more than I do. I don't know what this is called. Normally in Uganda we cook banana differently than we do here. Sometimes we pack them in banana leaves. It gives a really good taste. But since we don't have banana leaves here in Denmark, we use something like this. I don't know, almost like it's gonna be like steaming. So the banana is not going to be in touch with the water. So you put this in the pan. You put it in here like that, and then you put the banana around here. So that's what I'm gonna do. You put in the water. You make sure the water stays below and it doesn't come up. So guys, I'll show you how I peel. I peel the banana, but I think most people they do it the same way. Have a small knife here. Maybe it's too sharp. Don't use a knife that is too sharp because otherwise you have no banana remaining. So I will take this knife, not very sharp. I don't know, you cut off the top first. It's like almost peeling a potato. It's almost the same concept. Just peel, look, it's white inside and it's supposed to be like that. In Uganda, the real good banana, they're a little bit yellowish, not so much yellow, but yellowish. But this will do. So I don't know if you can see it. You peel that. See? That's how the banana looks after you peel it. This is the unpeeled, this is the peeled one. I'll check on my chicken, guys. Some people they put oil first in the... Let's see, turn this down. A little bit of light. A bit. Yeah, some people they put oil in before they put in the meat, but I do it like this. I want to take the liquid that's inside first out. Guys, if you see a mess, it's because we are living in a temporary apartment. We are building a house, so this apartment it's a big apartment but small at the same time. So I try to make it brown. I hope Jan comes to help me. So I'll leave that and I'll continue peeling my banana. Okay guys, camera died, the battery died, so now we are using my iPhone, but this is some of the finished banana. I'm going to peel a little bit more and then I'll show you how if I put it on fire, then I'll show you how I do it. So you can also check on our chicken here. You see what I said, I just brown it like that. Like I said, some people they put oil in first, but me I do it like this, kind of to get all the water out. And then yeah, I put in some oil, not much. We are using this oil. I can't remember what it's raps oil. I don't know if that's what they call it in English. So that's what we're using. We love chicken wings. Most of the time we eat it. We put on grill and eat it just with salad, but today I wanted to eat it with the matooke. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, come. I've made the wings a little bit brown, but I would have loved them to be a little bit more brown. but we are hungry. I've been fasting the whole day, so so you can brown them a little bit more. And now I'm going to put in the onions, and then I'll continue to make them brown. And I'll show you when I put in the rest of the ingredients. But right now I'm going to brown even the onions first. Okay. Hey guys, one of the other things we are going to put in our chicken is a very popular, what is it called? It's called eggplant. Yes. We eat it. I love it, and a lot of people in Uganda, I think in other countries, know it also. So yeah, he's cutting it very quickly, and then yeah, that's how we cut it, and then in tutu. So we're gonna add, you can put this in everything. Like I put in beans, you can put it in peanut, you can put in meat, whatever makes you happy. So we're gonna put that in. And Jan, can you open this for me? I can't remember what this is called. The big fingers. This one, when I was living in Uganda, I didn't know what this was. I think it's a West African. It's from West. Okra. Yeah, it's called okra. When I was living in Uganda for over 20 years ago, I had never tasted this. I only tasted it when I came to Denmark. So it's kind of slimy when you put it in the meat, whatever you put it in. So this is another thing we are going to put in. We might put in carrots. We may not put in carrots. It depends on my mood. So Jan is gonna cut this, and then I'll show you when I'm putting it in there. Okay? So guys, I'm almost ready to put my banana on fire. As I said, you put in water and you let the water should not come and be in touch with the bananas. So because I don't have banana leaf to use, I use this, what is it called? I can't remember what it's called, but you know what it is.
Aloe paper.
My English is not good. I've been staying in Denmark for over 23 years. So this, it's like you want to steam the banana. So I put this, and then I put it in fire, and I don't know, like, you can not ask me how long it takes, but it's the same thing like if you are boiling Irish potatoes. It's almost the same thing. Don't fall down. So it's okay. So I put it on, and I cover it and let it boil. Okay? Guys, now I think I'm ready to put in the next ingredient, and that is my tomato. And here in our house we try to eat organic. If you can find anything organic, we buy it organic. So these are our tomatoes. I had some leftovers, so I'll put it in here. Don't put in too much, so the whole the whole meat taste of just tomato. So I'll put that in, and then I'll let it boil a little bit more. I have put all my ingredients in here. I'll put some tikka masala. I'll put in some guacamole. This is called guacamole, the yellow.
Guacamole.
Guacamole is the yellow powder thing.
Guacamole.
Guacamole, yeah. I put in some coriander, pepper, cayenne pepper, and I think you just put in whatever you like. For me, I just put in whatever I have, whatever I like. And then I always put in a little bit of soya sauce. It gives it a little bit of, yeah, I like soya sauce. Put a little bit of it. And then I'm going to put in all my ingredients. If you come close here, you can see how it looks. So I just put in all my ingredients in there. I think we made too much of the eggplants. I think I'll freeze those ones down. So, this is my way. Jan loves it, I love it. So guys, we're going to boil this, put some water in it, and boil it. And yeah, and I think I'll show in 15 minutes or half an hour when the banana is finished. All right. Hey Guys, here is our chicken with all the ingredients. We just added the garlic, which we had forgotten. It's very, very important to put in your garlic. It's one of the most important ingredients. So the banana is over there boiling. I think it's almost ready. So I'm gonna check on that, and then I'll get back to you. Hey guys, I think the matooke is finished. I'm going to check. I don't use my hands because that is very hot, so I use this. You can see it's actually more yellow than it was when I started peeling it. So it is ready. Sometimes actually some people, even me, you can eat it like this. Just put it on the plate and then with your stew, with whatever sauce you're going to eat it with, or you can mash it and eat it like a mashed potato. Hey guys, I had told you that I was going to make the plantain, they call it actually plantain, the matooke, the banana, into mash. So it was like a mashed banana. But the bags I had, usually you put it in something like this, and then you use a cloth so you don't burn your hands, and then you like press it, so it becomes like a mashed potato. We don't use a machine like they use here in Denmark or whatever other countries to make mashed potatoes. We just use bag, or if you have banana plants, you use that. But I didn't have that, so we decided just to eat it like this. This is my finished product, and we're going to eat it like that. Sometimes I actually put in a bowl like this. It tastes so much better. So guys, that was my way I cook matooke. It can be cooked in so many different ways. If I was in Uganda, I would be cooking it in a different way than I've done today. And you can eat it with meat, you can eat it with fish, you can eat it with different things. So that's the good thing with the matooke. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope you didn't mind I was filming without makeup on. So thank you guys, and stay tuned. Bye.